Other practical items that are still going strong. This kitchen unit from Outwell, the storer. Got loads of stuff in that. Always easy just to grab and go. These big Colapz utility bags are also fantastically practical to stuff things in and move things around. And these easy camp outdoor carpets. Great way to get in and out the tent. Leave shoes. You know, don't get as much muck and mess everywhere. It just makes it a little bit more practical. Well, this has been an interesting, useful little addition. This is a picnic set actually. It's got a big collapsible basket with handles. Yeah, there's a few details on our website about this, but yeah, drinks, you can put your iPad or phone or something there. But yeah, this has been really quite useful. You can take a 2-litre bottle of water and a whole load of stuff in there. What I found useful as well, because this is, I mean, it's a picnic thing, you know, great for picnics, but useful bringing a load of stuff, food and stuff to the campsite and this little carrier, and you get a little table with it too. So obviously that's great for picnics, but I tell you what, that's been a handy little table. It's one less thing to bring if you bring this as well. I mean, that's a handy carrier anyway for camping. It folds down flat. So yeah, nice little bit of kit. Right, and by far the quickest way I found to boil water to get a brew when off grid, not using electric cooker, is this little Oex Heiro Stove. It's been fantastic. Really quick, rapid boil. I don't tend to cook anything, I don't put anything in there, just water, and then pour the water into something else. Keeps it nice and clean. But yeah, it's much quicker than actually an electric kettle and cook up, so yeah, that's been working really well too. And little tables like this has been extremely useful as well. This one here just simply folds out, really waterproof, and tends to be a perfect place to sit the water carrier on, which is over there in the distance, just draining out. Yeah, turn outside, sit the water carrier on, catch one bowl underneath. It's a perfect sort of little stand, but practical as well. By the campfire, just sitting down, put teas and coffees and drinks and things like that. So yeah, really practical items to get some little tables like this. Right, here's another useful item. By far my favourite lantern this season is this little lantern from Robens. Yeah, it's practical with traditional sort of looks. As you can see, it's fully rechargeable. Just recharging it now because we're off grid at the moment. Yeah, that'll be on all night with a warm sort of night light, but you can then turn it on bright. It's not the biggest of lanterns if you want like full brightness, but for a nice, warm, practical nighttime tent, that's been really nice. So I have a much better system now for putting this pole in the tent, rather than trying to construct the pole outside and then push it in. What I just simply do is construct it section by section in the tent. So I start with the top piece with the rubber thing on, then I've got the next one on, next one on, next one on, next one on, and the bottom one which has got its rubber foot on, and just simply push everything up, slot it into the bottom, you know, construct it as I push the tent up, and that's actually really quick and it's so much easier than how we tried to do it before.